Subject: Celebration of 62nd Foundation Day of KVS in all KVs. Reg. Madam, Sir. Date: 3/12/2024. As you are aware, every year, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, KVS, celebrates its Foundation Day on the 15th of December to highlight and showcase its mission of fostering educational excellence, nurturing core values and shaping responsible citizens, where the tireless dedication and unwavering commitment of our teachers in shaping the character of the future generation of our country has to be acknowledged. To celebrate the success of our incredible students, the consistent efforts of our dedicated teachers, the unparalleled contributions of our inspiring school leaders, the vision of our officers and staff, the unwavering support of parents, and the steadfast backing of administrators, the event is to be conducted in a befitting manner. The Foundation Day of this year will be based on the theme, Honor the Past while Creating the Future. While celebrating the Foundation Day of KVS in KVs, it is requested to take the following necessary actions at your end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will be celebrated on the 14th of December 2024, second Saturday, by KVs. Since it is going to be conducted on second Saturday, the next Saturday, i.e., 21.12.2024, may be declared as holiday for KVs. It should be conducted in befitting manner by inviting illustrious alumni, inspiring and exemplary retired teachers and staff including officers, chairman and nominee chairman VMC, parents and other important stakeholders. All illustrious alumni may be invited by sending invitation letters, emails, by calling over telephone. Details of data registered alumni available in KVS alumni portal may be used. Arrangement of drinking water, tea, coffee and light refreshment are to be done in KVs for parents, alumni and other dignitaries. Program should be conducted less cultural, more educational, by exploring innovative efforts being undertaken by KVs to showcase the landmark journey of KVS. Social media handles, website and, if required, in print and electronic media to be utilized for popularizing the day with hashtag #HanotePast while creating the future. Photographs and newspaper clippings of celebrations may be shared to KVS HQs through the following email at assisteditor.kvs@gmail.com by regions latest by 18.12.2024. Further, the Foundation Day of KVS will be celebrated on the 15th of December 2024 at Drive Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan Auditorium, PM Shri KV No. 2 Delhi Cant at 11 am onwards. The link of the program will be shared to all KVs for witnessing the program by all students, teachers, staff, parents and other stakeholders. It is requested to take all sincere efforts to celebrate 62nd Foundation Day of KVS in a betting manner in all KVs. This issues with the approval of competent authority. Yours